Ever wondered who ensures your medical equipment functions accurately when you visit a healthcare facility? Ever heard of a BMET? That's short for Biomedical Equipment Technician or Biomedical Engineering Technician. These professionals are the ones who keep medical devices in top shape, ensuring they're maintained, repaired, and calibrated to perfection. The ones who guarantee that the MRI scanner, the defibrillator, or the X-ray machine you rely on works flawlessly. In essence, BMETs are the unsung heroes of the healthcare industry, working tirelessly behind the scenes. But what exactly does a BMET do? Let's delve into their key responsibilities. A primary task of a biomedical equipment technician or BMET is equipment maintenance. They ensure that vital medical devices from X-ray machines to defibrillators are in tip-top shape and safe to use. When things go awry, BMETs step in for repair and troubleshooting. They diagnose issues, replace faulty components, and calibrate the equipment to meet safety and performance standards. Beyond just fixing things, BMETs are the gatekeepers of quality assurance. They verify that every piece of medical equipment adheres to stringent regulatory standards and delivers accurate results. Calibration is another critical task. BMETs fine-tune medical devices for precise measurements and optimal functionality, which is crucial in healthcare settings. Documentation is also a part of their job. They meticulously record maintenance, repairs, and inspections to maintain a complete service history. Lastly, they educate and support healthcare professionals on the correct use and maintenance of medical equipment. Their role is multifaceted and essential for the smooth operation of any healthcare facility. Now that we understand what a BMET does, let's consider why their role is so important. BMETs are the unsung heroes of the healthcare industry, ensuring the safety and reliability of the medical devices we rely on. From maintaining life-saving machines to calibrating equipment for precision, their work is integral to patient safety and the quality of medical services. They are the backbone of our healthcare system, guaranteeing the effectiveness of our care. So, the next time you find yourself in a healthcare setting, remember the pivotal role BMETs play in ensuring your safety and the effectiveness of your care.